Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is actually a news article. Arlo legacy camera end life. So that's in the news. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. So you have one of these cameras, you want to take note because they're going to be considered end of life soon. Arlo legacy cameras end of life. So what does this mean in particular, right? So there's a big article on from Arlo, and I'll put it in the description if you're interested in reading more. The device no longer receives support. That's the big thing. No firmware upgrades will be available for the device. No security updates will be available for the device. No spare parts will be available. No replacement devices will be available. Services and cloud functionality be reduced or unavailable for the device, which is bad. Future services or features may be unavailable for the device. Basically, they're not supporting it anymore. I mean, that's the whole thing. They're not going to put any more effort in supporting it, and that's the real answer, right? Specific features or services will no longer be available for all devices. Users migrate to the closest equivalent service. Users would be offered to change their service plan if you have a service plan at all. Basically, a lot of these didn't have service plan, and you could get like free 7-day recording. All right, so you can read all this thing over here. What devices will be moved to end of life? So here's the date: April 1st, 2023. That's this year. Arlo Wire 3 free cameras. That's the number. Arlo Pro, amazingly. And it's been a while since they released these products. US customers who onboard an Arlo wire-free camera and the other ones are eligible for upgrade. So they have an upgrade path if you want to upgrade your camera. And that's the details over here. The following Arlo devices will be moved on January 1st, 2024. So that's next year. Personally, I do have the Arlo Pro 2. That's going to be on this schedule. There's Arlo Q, Q Plus, Arlo Baby, Security Light, Audio Doorbell. Interesting. So more information, and 2024 is next year. So you got the heads up. So it's nice of them to tell you that ahead of time. So you probably want to maybe near end of the year or so, or mid year, start researching what kind of camera you want to get. All right. So this is a heads up. What does this mean to me when the services are moved end of life? So it explains users of the affected devices for the 7-day rolling cloud storage will no longer be available, and users will no longer receive email notification for system issues such as low battery or motion detection. That means the camera doesn't work, right? Because right now it goes on when there's motion, right? Can you use the end of life device? And they give you more details than that, of course. So I did a preliminary screen, recording, and now I'm just explaining a bit more in detail, so you can see the mouse is not that in sync. So I apologize for that. And if you look at this over here, they talk about why they're doing the end of life. Pretty much, they want you to buy the new stuff that comes with also a subscription fee, which they make money that way. Unfortunately, the ones that came initially, it was an awesome deal, of course, because I have one of those, and the Arlo Pro. 7 days of recording, all right, and it drops off on the 8th day, of course, and you don't have to pay anything. It's so awesome, and the cameras are very reasonably priced. So that's not a sustainable model, and I think they really want to get back into a way to make more money. And you can see their stock price is probably around $2 to $3. It's not really that great. The only way to turn it around is go through the subscription model. So that means you're going to pay every month and such like that if you decide to go forward with the new cameras and new plans and such. And they're going to end of life the old ones. So that's what they're saying in general. They don't tell you that part. But it did give you an upgrade path. I know some people really love the Arlo, so that's why I'm making this video. Personally, I have the Arlo, and it's not a bad product. And unfortunately, hate to see it go away. Hopefully you like this video. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Comment to share, please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.